Good morning, students. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. Till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today we will study Maths of Class 7, Chapter 2, Fractions and Decimals. Now, fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. This whole may be single object or group of objects. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called the proper fraction. For example, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4. When numerator is greater than its denominator, fraction is called the improper fraction. For example, 8 upon 3, 5 upon 2, 11 upon 4. A mixed fraction consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 2 whole 3 by 4, 7 whole 1 by 2 and 5 whole 3 upon 8. Now, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions are two or more fractions which represent the same part of a whole number. Each fraction is said to be equivalent to all the other. For example, 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 8 is equal to 8 upon 16 are one set of equivalent fractions. Now, come to the exercise. Exercise 2a, question number 1. Multiply and reduce to the lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Now, exercise 2a, question number 1. First part, that is 7 whole 4 by 5. Now we can write 7 as 7 upon 1 into 4 upon 5. Now we multiply denominator from denominator and numerator from numerator. It means 7 into 4 it become 28 and 5 into 1 become 5. Now we will write this number into a mixed fraction. We can write 28 upon 5 as 5 whole 3 by 5. 5 5 25 and 3 28 upon 5. This is the answer. Now second part, 4 into 1 upon 3. We can write 4 as 4 upon 1 into 1 upon 3. Now we will multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Now it will become 4 into 1 become 4 and 3 into 1 become 3. Now we can write it as 1 whole 1 by 3 is the answer. 3 ones are 3 and 1 4 and means 4 upon 3. Now third part, 2 into 6 upon 7. 2 into 6 upon 7. We can write as 2 upon 1 into 6 upon 7. Now multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So it will become 2 into 6 become 12 and 7 into 1 becomes 7. And we can write 12 upon 7 as 1 whole 5 by 7. 7 ones are 7 and 5 12 means 12 upon 7. Now move to the next part, that is fourth part, which is 5 into 2 upon 9. 5 into 2 upon 9 we can write as 5 upon 1 into 2 upon 9. Now we multiply numerator into numerator and denominator by denominator. It will become 10 upon 5 into 2 become 10 and 9 into 1 become 9. Now we can write 10 upon 9 as 1 whole 1 by 9. 9 ones are 9 and 1 10. This is the answer. Now fifth part, 20 whole 4 by 5. Now we will solve this. 5 fours are 20 and 4 into 4 will become 16. This is the answer. Sixth part, 18 into 3 by 6. Here we cut 6 threes are 18 and 3 into 3 will become 9 is the answer. Now question number second, you can do it as a homework. Now move to the next question. Question number third, first part, find 1 by 2 of A part 26, B part 48. Now we will solve it 1 by 2. First we will do A part. Now of represent the sign of multiply. So we will place multiply sign in place of. It will become 1 by 2 into first part is 26. We will cut it. 2 1s are 2, 2 3 is 6. It means 13 is the answer. For B part, 1 by 2 of means multiply, and this is 48. Now again 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 24 is the answer. Now question number 3, second part, 2 by 3 of A part is 21 and B part is 24. Now it will become 2 by 3 of means multiply and 21, 3 7s are 21, 7 into 2 or 2 into 7 will become 14. 14 is the answer. Now B part, two by 3 of means multiply and 24. Now 3 8s are 24. 2 into 8 means 2 into 8 will become 16 is the answer. Now third part, 3 by 4 of A part is 20, B part is 32. Now we will solve first part. 3 by 4 of means multiply and 20. So 4 5s are 20. It become 3 into 5, which is equal to 3 5s are 15 is the answer. Now next part, 3 by 4 of means multiply 32. Now 4 8s are 32. 8 into 3, it will become 8 3s are 24 is the answer. Now last part, you can do it as a homework. Now move to the next question, which is question number 4. Find the product and express as a mixed fraction. Now question number 4, first part. Question number 4, first part, 3 into 5 whole 1 by 5. Now it will become 3 into 5 5s are 25 and 1 26. It means 26 upon 5. Now we will multiply 26 into 3. It will become 3 6 are 18, carry 1, 3 2 is 6 and 1 78 upon 5. Now we convert this fraction into a mixed fraction. This will become 15 whole 3 by 5, or we can do it as, we will do as 78 from 5. This will become 5 ones are 5, 7 minus 5 will become 2 and 8. Now 5 5s are 25. This will become 3. So we can write it as 15 whole 3 by 5. Now 15 5 is 75 plus 3 78. It means 78 upon 5. This is the answer. Now second part, question number 4. 5 into 5 whole 3 by 4. Now it will become 5. 5 4s are 20. 20 and 3 23 upon 4. Now we will multiply 23 into 5. 8 will become 5 3s are 15. 5 carry goes 1. 5 2s are 10 and 1. It means 11 upon 4. Now we will convert 115 upon 4 into a mixed fraction. Now we will divide 115 from 4. 8 means 4 to the 8. Now 11 minus 8 will become 3 and this 5. Now 4 8s are 32. So the remainder is 3. So we can write it 115 upon 4 as 28 whole 3 by 4 is the answer. Now third part, 6 into 4 whole 1 by 7. This will become 6 into 6, 7 4s are 28, 28 and 1, 29 upon 7. Now we will multiply 29 into 6. It will become 6 9 is 54, carry goes 5, 6 2 is 12, 12 and 5 becomes 17. It means 174 upon 7. We can write this as 24 whole 6 by 7. Now fourth part you can do it as a homework. Now move to the next question, which is question number 5. Now question number 5 is, in a class of 40 students, 1 by 5 of the total number of students like to study Hindi, 2 by 5 of the total like to study science, and the remaining student like to study mathematics. Now first part is, how many students like to study Hindi? Second part is, how many students like to study science? And third part is, what fraction of the total number of students like to study mathematics? Now come to the question. In first part we have to find how many students like to study Hindi. Now question number 5, first part, the total number of students given in the question is 40. Now the total number of students like to study Hindi is 2 by 5 of the total number. So total number of students like to study Hindi is equal to 1 by 5 of the total. Total is 40 students, so 5 8 is 40. It means 8 students. This is the answer. Now second part, total number of students like to study science. Total number of students likes to study science is equal to 2 by 5 of the total. 2 by 5 of the total is 40 students, so 5 8 is 40. It means 8 into 2, which is equal to 16, is the answer. Now third part is, what fraction of the total number of students like to study mathematics? Now third part, total number of students like to study Hindi is total number of students like to study Hindi is 8, and total number of students like to study science, total number of students like to study science is equal to 16. Now remaining students, now total number of students, sum of these students will become 8 plus 16. 8 plus 16 will become 24. Now we will find the remaining students. Remaining students is equal to 40 minus 24. It will become 20 minus 40 minus 24, 10. We will take carry from 4. It will become 10. 10 minus 4 becomes 6, and here 3 minus 2 means 1. It means 16 students remains. Now therefore number of students like to study mathematics, numbers of students likes to study mathematics is equal to 16. Now required fraction is equal to, number of students like to study mathematics 16 and the total number of students is 40. 16 upon 40, or we can write, we can cut it and solve into a lowest form of the fraction. Now we first cut from the number 2. 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4 and 0, again from 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2 and 0, again from 2, 2 2 is 4 and 2 5 is 10. We can write 16 upon 40 or 2 upon 5. This is the answer. Now next question, question number 6. A tank can hold 52 liters of water. How much water is in the tank when it is 3/4 full? Now question number 6. Capacity of tank is 52 liter. Now filled part of tank is given in the question, which is 3/4 filled part of tank is equal to 3/4 part. Now total water in the tank, total water in the tank is equal to 3/4 into 52. Now this will become 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 12. It means 4 1s are 12, 4 1s are 4 and 4 3 are 12. Now 13 into 3 will become 39. Hence filled part of the tank is 39 liter. Hence filled part of tank is 39 liters. This is the answer. Now move to the next question, which is the last question of the exercise. A teacher takes 6 periods in a day. The duration of each period is 2/3 hours. What is the total duration of 6 periods? Now duration of each period is equal to 2/3 hours. Total number of periods is equal to 6, given in the question. Now required duration is equal to 6 into 2/3, 6 into 2/3, 3 2 is 6 and it will become 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. Hence total duration of 6 periods is 4 hours. Now this is the answer. Now our exercise 2A is completed and we will do next exercise in our next video. Thank you.